Can you show him one, Marcus?
We got an order for a Krabby Patty Deluxe. Heaven knows why.
What's that? Tell him what it is.
What's that?
It's a snail. Show baby Jack.
No.
This delicious iced tea.
What's that?
What is it?
It opened it.
Okay, show Jack.
It was kind of cold. This has been the storm of the century.
Yeah.
We nailed it.
What else is there?
The moon.
The moon. Show Jack.
Moving. No, three diet. No, what our day?
It's an owl.
Yeah. Ooh.
Yeah, I'll say whoo.
No, what day?
I don't know what giraffes say. Can you show Jack? Maybe he knows. Ask him if he knows.
Last day.
Did he tell you?
Yeah, you don't.
Okay, I'm gonna go take a picture of the snow, okay? I'll be right back.
If it was 10 degrees colder, we would have a foot of snow on the ground right now.
Really?
We'd have more than a foot of snow on the ground right now. But it's too warm.
There's the snow.
But it's too warm.
It's April.
April what?
I don't know.
It's April 17th.
There's Gracie. There's Marcus.
You know what
Say
else?
hi, Marcus.
It's April. Wait, are you still recording?
Yeah.
It's April 17th. And I gotta take it.
Marcus,
Yeah.
what do you do when you go to the bathroom on the toilet?
I don't vacuum. I don't be.
And then do you have to wash your hands? How do you wash them?
Can you
Huh? What do you do to wash your hands? With soap?
No, it don't.
And do you get poop on your hands?
Poop in my hand.
You don't?
I poop in my hand.
No, you don't have poop on your hands. Let's go see what baby Jack's doing. Hi, boo-boos. Are you showing them some more pictures? Do you want to see what I just